Hi everyone, I just wanted to show my last kit I working on. So it's a CSV reader, so it's allow me to read CSV file and put on my meshops operation. For example, here I have this I don't know like we said in English, my casserole in French. So here I have this casserole I made in a meshup operation, so I can choose almost everything I can change. So here I can change. If I go to the controller, I can change all the parameter. So if just I hide this one, so here I can change maybe the radius. So if I change that. So, but if you see, it's a lot of operation and it takes a lot of time to create my new castle. And so here, like you see, I changed the radius and now it's 22. So I have also the number and all kind of stuff happen here. I can change the height, so here. And yeah, it's really nice, but it takes time to create all kind of casserole. And yeah, my clients does not have the plan, so I ask him to give me the parameter for each reference of my casserole, so I can create a CSV file. So with all the if we look, each one corresponds at one of the parameter here. So here it's all in meter. So yeah, you just need to change to have the same size in meter. So I have this CSV file, and now here I create the CSV reader. So here I can put the name of file I want to read. Here I can force to reload. If I change the file, I can just put one here, and for each modification, reload the file also. Here I have starting row number. This one it's allow me if I have here I have for 30 row, but if you need to have more than 30, just need to copy this one and just start the new row to 31, and now it's load the row. It's the starting row from that. So you can just use 2 or 3 or 4 or 5, and yeah, just put the starting number here. And now here I have just the line I want to read. So here I can change maybe if I want to line 5. And now it's loading my CSV file and updates all the parameter here. So just yeah, you need to wait a little while when he created that. And yeah, so now I wanted to use that in Unity. So I want to export all my. So I made a little change on my OBJ sequence exporter. So now you can just I just select my element, go to export OBJ FBX, and add this element on my list. And now I just export the FBX sequence, so I just can change the name. Now he asked me the name of the file, and if I launch at night, if I have 100 or 200 file, I can just let my computer go, and yeah, it creates all the file for me. So yeah, really nice. So here just an example. So here I already tried to export my casserole. So now you can see here. Here I load my whole casserole. So you see I have all my elements. So really nice, because yeah, it's a complex objects, and yeah, it's working really well. So now if I look, I change the radius, and after I just change the height. So now my client can send me all his I think he have almost 100 parameter tip of casserole, and yeah, with this I can just just give me the list of all his parameter, and if he want to create a new one, just send me the new list, and I can export all the new objects. So really nice. All right, I hope you like it, and I think maybe tomorrow or so I export the kit to the Gumroad. So if you need it, so yeah. So have a nice day. Thank you very much, and yeah, bye bye.